Hi guys. So I have to tell you, this is probably my current all-time favorite deck. I absolutely love just everything about this deck. Um, it comes in this very nice box. The artwork is stunning. I love the. I mean, look at this. Look at this bee. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this bee is just incredible. I think it's a combination of photography and graphics, maybe. It's really stunning. It opens like a book, which I love. Um, it does have a little thing, but I didn't have it out. So here, let me show you again. It's a little on the short side, I think. It sticks out about that far. But you open it up, and there is a book. Let's see. Let me go back to, so it's 44 cards. There is also 44 sheets of vellum tracing paper, and I'll show you that in a minute. And the book is a 112-page guidebook. So I actually have not played with the vellum yet, but there's this little envelope, and you open it up, and there are all these sheets that you can use for tracing or writing, doing symbols. It's very, very nice. And unlike most decks, most decks you just have like a description or, some. I'm having a really hard time with words today. I think it's maybe a Mercury aspect. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, this deck it's a little bit more useful, I've noticed, than just a regular tarot deck for reading. You can use it for reading, but you can also use it to focus on things you want to focus on, if that makes sense. So the back of the cards looks like this. They're very pretty. It's kind of hard to get the shimmer. There's like a shimmer to them that's very beautiful. It's kind of a bluish green color down here, and then it goes into a gold, and then it moves up into a pink, and it looks like dragons, maybe. Well, maybe not. I think they're just like plants, possibly. I don't know. It's a very Victorian kind of look to it. And the cards look like this. This is equilibrium. And this is learn the truth. And this one is navigation. This one is overcome fear. Finding love. And we will end with, this is creativity. And this one is let go. It's got this nice big crab on there with the roses. And there's Luna, willpower, good fortune, passion, blessed day. eternal charisma, confidence, banishing a curse, intuition, change. Oh, look at the change. A little chameleon on it. Karmic justice, rebirth, knowledge, healing, energy, resilience, union, cut ties, grounding, courage, defense, cast away negativity, success, wisdom, balanced emotions, concealment, protection, good luck, destiny, financial security, growth of energy. This one's really cool. Growth of energy, happiness, leadership, elixir of life, mindfulness, divine guidance, magical power, and safe travel. And I will pull one. Good fortune. That's always a great thing, right? Good fortune. Okay, good fortune. In ancient Egypt, the scarab beetle was a symbol of good fortune. I'm going to show you. This is a very pretty card. It was a symbol of good fortune, rebirth, and protection from jealousy. This card indicates prosperity and long-term success. It could also mean a miracle or a blessing. This, however, is not a passive fortune. Now is the time to formulate new ideas about the path you want to follow. Decide what you are interested in and take action because luck is on your side. The card can ease the hard work that needs to be done to get to the finish line, but it's up to you to see yourself through. You will resurrect your power when you encounter obstacles on your way, but you need to stay focused on your goal. Don't forget to celebrate your successes. And then it has the Talisman power. And this is where you can use this as a focus tool. So it's the good fortune card can be used in numerous ways, all tied in with long-lasting good fortune. Use this card when you want to find your calling or when you want to increase the long-term beneficial effects of a relationship, a business venture, or situation. Envision the scarab beetle digging around and gathering good luck. And the affirmation is, I attract good fortune. That is a very simple, and I would imagine very powerful affirmation. And we do have this in the shop, mysticmoonshop.com, and go to shop, go to tarot. I'm going to put these on the bottom. Go to shop, go to tarot, and you should find them there. And we'll get them out to you right away. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.